Assalamualaikum. Pleased to have you guys back on my channel, and in today's video I am going to share what's in my makeup pouch. So this video has been on my list for so long. Okay, I was willing to make one for so long, and then finally today I am making it. So I'm super excited to share what's all is there in this pouch of mine. So there is not much like, I don't know, let's just see, let's just begin. Okay, so there is not a lot of stuff in here, but then still it's a lot of stuff. So this is basically my everyday makeup pouch. This is something that I carry to my work, and I have also been carrying it to my college. Yeah, of course, during the college days the makeup products in here were different from what they are today, as I'm working, right? Any which way, so this is the makeup pouch that I carry on daily basis to my work, and it basically holds everything that I would require if I want to get ready in my office for one or the other reason, or for no reason at all. This was the pouch that I bought like 4-5 years back, or maybe like 3 years back, not 4-5, but yeah, 3 years तो इसको हुआ ही हुआ है. It actually came in with a set of two other pouches. One was the bigger one and one was the smaller one, and I have attached a safety pin right over here, just so that if I require one, it's really, it's easy to, like, it's handy, right? So it's easy to access kind of thing. एंड इसको मैंने धोया नहीं है. मैं कितने टाइम से सोच रही थी कि जब भी ये वीडियो बनाऊंगी मैं इस पाउच को धो के वापस से चीज़ें डाल के बनाऊंगी, बट दिस इज़ द रियलिटी, ठीक है ना. मेरे को इसको धोने का टाइम नहीं मिला. मतलब मैंने अभी रिसेंटली धोई थी, बट देन स्टिल इट्स अ मेकअप पाउच. अंदर से भी इस तरीके से इट जस्ट गेट स्टेन्ड काइंड ऑफ, जो लिपस्टिक्स वगैरह की स्टेन्स होता है वैसा हो गया, और बाहर से भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि थोड़ा ख़राब हो गया, लाइक इट हैज़ डर्ट ऑन इट काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन लग रही है, बट इट्स नॉट डर्टी. इट्स जस्ट दैट वो उस तरीके से रहता है. इसका कलर भी थोड़ा सा ग्रेइश वाइटिश, स्नो वाइट ग्रेइश टाइप में है, तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि गंदा पाउच है, बट इट्स नॉट. ठीक है. सो देर आर बंच ऑफ स्टफ्स इन हियर. आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू शो यू दैट properly in here, but let's just begin. So the first thing in here is this my mini sponge. I have just used it for my makeup. It's a very mini tiny sponge, so very easy to carry, and I could just use it whenever it's required. Second thing, I think I will have to keep this somewhere so that it's easy for me to handle. I'm keeping this on my lap actually. Second thing is this BB cream, विच आई हैव बिन यूजिंग फॉर सो लॉन्ग. ख़त्म होने आई है, बट एक्सपायर नहीं हुआ है, तो मैंने इसलिए इसको रखा है. मतलब लाइक मैं बहुत टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ, लेकिन एक्सपायर भी नहीं हुआ है, और इसमें थोड़ी सी बची है. सो आई एम अ वेरी कंजूस काइंड ऑफ पर्सन बोल सकते हो, बट नो, ठीक है, इट्स नॉट कंजूस. इट्स जस्ट दैट आई वॉन्ट टू यूज़ द प्रोडक्ट until it's completely finished, or maybe it's expired. Why waste, right? सो दिस इज़ दी BB क्रीम. ये पता नहीं अब आती भी है कि नहीं. आई थिंक ये आती है, बट या दिस इज़ दी BB क्रीम इन आइवरी. जो शेड है वो उसका शेड है. एंड देन आई ऑल्सो हैव दिस लैक्मी 9to5 मूज फाउंडेशन. अगेन अ मिनी वर्जन, क्योंकि पाउच छोटा सा है तो इसमें मिनी वर्जन्स जो है वो बहुत अच्छे से चले जाते हैं. Plus this is one of my favorite foundation. It's a mousse, so it's very soft, it's very like it's very lightweight as well, and gives you a very natural finish. Gives you कि ऐसा कुछ लगाया ही नहीं है, but also gives you a very skin like foundation. Really hides your whatever insecurities are there, like pimples वगैरह या कुछ ऐसा छोटा सा dark spots वगैरह है, तो it helps with that as well. But overall it's a good foundation. So I think ये almost ख़त्म होने आया है, and this time I think I'm going to purchase another one. Okay, then the next thing I would just would like to bring up is these two products. Now these are my favorite products when it comes to eye products. So this one is Swiss Beauty का everyday mascara. Okay, it's the best mascara. I have even applied the same mascara right now. Gives you a very everyday finish lashes, right? So बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है मेरे हिसाब से. तो एवरीडे के हिसाब से बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रामेटिक भी नहीं कर देता है अपनी आपकी लैशेस को, और ना ही इट गिव्स यू कि ऐसा बिल्कुल भी लगा ही नहीं कि कुछ है. कैमरा में वो उतना पकड़ नहीं पा रहा है, बट ट्रस्ट मी, रियल लाइफ में इट रियली लुक्स सो सुपर्ब. इट लुक्स रियली गुड ऑन एवरीडे बेसिस के हिसाब से, तो ये परफेक्ट है. Now the other product is this Nykaa का eyeliner. Again this is a very good everyday product, ठीक है. Very very sharp, very thin, इसका precise what do we say brush है for you know applying this particular wing liners. एकदम precise wing liners के लिए बहुत अच्छा. And plus point, ये कितना भी घिसने की कोशिश करो ये निकलता नहीं है. So it's a good product for affordable range. Also comes with a very thin liner brush, again a plus point, and it's a waterproof, so it doesn't gets off very easily. Even right now I have applied the same liner as well, and you can see how precisely I was able to achieve this eyeliner of mine. In the eye category, this is the last product that I have in my pouch. Hopefully it's a Nykaa ka product. Again it's basically a kajal. Again a very everyday kajal. It gives you a very good finish, stays on for a long time. I wouldn't say कि ये waterproof है या smudge नहीं होगा. No, it does get smudged. Again this was under 200, very affordable, very everyday product. The next product I would like to bring up is these lip liners, a very current obsession of mine. I have never used lip liners earlier in my life, but very recently I started using one of them and then I loved it, so I purchased two more. So like 3 months or 2 months back, ठीक है. So these are the 3 lip liners. ये वाला जो है बहुत ही मतलब मेरा favorite हो गया है अचानक से, and I'm also applying it right now. So this is the lip liner from Swiss Beauty in the shade Purple 11, and this is again the lip liner from Swiss Beauty in the shade Pink Crush 10, ठीक है. So I will just try to link all of these products somewhere. Again this is a lip liner from Swiss Beauty in the shade Cocoa Nude 03. Now all of these are very beautiful lip liners. Let me just give you a quick swatch of all of these. I haven't sharpened them in a while, so हाँ थोड़ा सा ऐसा होगा कि इतना perfect swatch नहीं होगा like वैसा एकदम precise वाला. But yeah, these are the 3 swatches. How pretty are they? They just go really well when applying lipsticks. So I have very recently started applying them and then going ahead with my lipsticks. Now moving on to the lipsticks part. So I have quite a few of them in here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so I have 9 lipsticks in here, so of course I won't be able to hold all of these together, but yeah, I think I am able to hold all of these together. So girls and their obsession with lipstick is something very natural, I guess. So let's just start with the oldest lipstick that I have in here are these two. This is the Ebas lipstick. I hardly even wear it, but I don't feel like I want to throw it away. I just have a very I just have a very much लगाव मतलब वो होता है ना, अटैचमेंट हो गई है एक पर्टिकुलर चीज़ से. तो इस लिपस्टिक के कलर से मुझे वो अटैचमेंट हो गई है. इसका ढक्कन टूट गया था तो इस वजह से थोड़ा सा ऐसा ऊपर से ऐसा है. बट या आई डोंट थिंक आई एम एवर गोइंग टू वियर इट अगेन, बट आई हैव जस्ट केप्ट इट for the color reference, I guess. So it was a very everyday color from Eba. It was something natural gloss करके. I think I have covered this lipstick in some other video of mine as well, and this was a very this is a very everyday natural color that I wore quite a few times, but I think not anymore. And this is from Blush. Yeah, this lipstick again is from Blush. It's again a very everyday brick red brownish kind of color. It's again a very very pretty color, though currently I'm not using it on daily basis, but yeah, this is the color. Okay, it just gives you that everyday red brick orange all ऐसा मिक्स टाइप नहीं हो जाता, वैसा टाइप का ब्राउन भी है इसमें, थोड़ा सा ब्रिक रेड का भी हिंट आ रहा है. सो अगर आपको रेड नहीं पहनना है किसी दिन, पर थोड़ा सा कलर ज़्यादा दिखना है, लाइक ब्राइट कलर कुछ पहनना है, सो आई थिंक दिस कलर इज़ रियली रियली गुड. दिस इज़ 9 Blush 02 इसका है. No, I think 9 Blush is the name of the brand and 02 is the shade number. Okay, up next is these two minis from Just Herbals or Just Herbs. Sorry, it's from Just Herbs. Okay, so this comes in a pack of 4 or 5 mini lipsticks from Just Herbs. Okay, they always run some offers on this whole box, and this was gifted to me by one of my friend on my birthday previous year. So let me just swipe it somewhere. Okay, so this is a thing. It's very dark color, to be honest, but yeah, I don't use it just as it is. I always dab it a shade lighter. So I just dab it with my tissue or something, or just I apply it on a nude lipstick. If I'm applying one, I go like I on top of a nude lipstick, I go ahead with this lipstick. So both of these are actually a very dark shade, to be honest, very close to mauve maroon kind of shades, but they are really pretty. The only drawback about these lipsticks is that they do not last you really long. They just comes off if you tries to eat something or something like that. Yeah, they do smell delicious, that's a good thing. And also color wise, the payoff is really good, but they don't stay. Up next is again 3 lipsticks, and I'm not very sure if this is also from Inside Cosmetics. So here I have 3 lipsticks from Inside Cosmetics. This is a purple lipstick from them. This is a very nude brown lipstick from them. This is again from Inside Cosmetics, but I don't remember the range and everything. Again, this is a very nude pink, very beautiful, very everyday color from them. The shade is Pink Sugar 425. Let me just swipe it somewhere for you guys. Okay, so this is the color. Just look at that, it's so perfect, it's so wow for everyday color. And I think it would go with from kind of dusky, like wheatish skin tone to anybody who has a very fair complexion. It would just look very pretty. Now again, this is one of my favorite lipsticks from Inside Cosmetics. This does have a little, like it's a matte lipstick, and this is this one, right? So this is more like a purple, and not purple, but yeah, dark mauve color kind of thing, violet or mauve colors aisa kuch. I'm not very good with lipstick colors, but yeah, again, it's a very pretty color. I just love it for my everyday basis. Now moving on to this nude lipstick from again Inside Cosmetics. This is a very recent purchase of mine, and I'm so in love with this. And the color shade is Desert Top, that is 06, number 06, again from Inside Cosmetics. And this gives you a very nude color on your lip. This is the shade, this one is the shade right here. How pretty is that? Now moving on to last 2 lipsticks. This one is from Swiss Beauty. It's a crayon lipstick. Initially I did not like it a lot, but then I started using it in a format where I just apply, I use it as a lip liner, and then I dab it all throughout my lips, right? So I just apply it as a lip liner, and that is that. एंड उसके अलावा अगर उसको ऐसे लिपस्टिक के तौर पे मैंने उसको कभी इस्तेमाल नहीं किया. स्टार्टिंग में एक बार ट्राई में की थी, बहुत बकवास कलर लग रहा था ये मेरे पे, बट या यूजिंग इट एज अ लिप लाइनर एंड देन अलाउिंग इट टू वर्क अपॉन योर लिप एज अ होल लिपस्टिक, it's a beautiful color in that sense. ठीक है. The color is Peach Love 20 is the shade number. Let me swipe it this as well for you guys. This is this. It's really dark, and it does not smudge. If you haven't applied lip balm underneath very recently, it's a good product. To be honest, it does not smudge really easily, and it stays for so long. Now last but not the least, again this is one of my favorite color. This lipstick is from Mars Cosmetics, and the shade is 10 Outrageous. Again, this is a very everyday nude pink color. Where do I swipe this? अभी इसको कहाँ करूँ? Okay, so I have swiped it right here. Again, this is a very everyday color, very pretty color, and smells also like coconut and bubblegum mixture. It's really good, and comes with a doe foot applicator and stays on for so long, does not smudge or does not comes off when you are eating easily. Yeah, it does get faded off after some time, but for quite some time it stays really well on your lips and looks very very pretty as well. Now moving on to the last few things in my makeup pouch. These are the two blushes that I have started use. This one is a very recent purchase of mine, and it's a berry color blush which I have very recently started using. Very peachy berry, to be honest. ठीक है, पूरा हाथ गंदा कर ली हूँ मैंने, बट या दिस इज़ द शेड एक्चुअली. अगेन इट्स फ्रॉम इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक्स, एंड इसका जो शेड नंबर है वो मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है, बट या मे बी आई विल जस्ट राइट इट डाउन समवेयर. ठीक है, but yeah, it's a very good blush for everyday basis. I have very recently started using it and I haven't applied it for quite many times, to be honest. The other blush that I have is this one. This is my favorite blush. Again, this, and I have also used a lot, as you can see. Again, this was from Inside Cosmetics and it's a very berry mauve everyday color. Okay, let me just swipe it somewhere if I can, but just look at that. Look at that, it's very very pretty, especially in the summers when you want to get that tanned and as well as sun kissed cheeks and everything. I think this is just so perfect, or as a blush it's just so perfect. I think I just love this blush over any blush. And lastly, I have just miscellaneous stuffs in here. I also had bobby pins in here, but right now they don't like, they are not in here. And this is a very छोटू सा इत्तर की डिब्बी. इत्तर है नहीं, but मैंने इसे फिर भी रखी है. कभी मुझे ऐसा कुछ स्मेल करने को लगा, या आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई हैव केप्ट, बट इट बहुत हल्का सा जो लास्ट का बच जाता है, शायद उतना बचा है. बट द डिब्बी वॉज लुकिंग वेरी क्यूट टू मी, सो आई हैव जस्ट केप्ट इट फॉर नो पर्टिकुलर रीज़न. ये एक छोटू सा रबर बैंड इसमें से मिला है, ठीक है, जो छोटू सा आता है जस्ट फॉर सेफ्टी साइड, कभी इमरजेंसी में लगा वगैरह. And then last but not the least, this sharpener. This is majorly for my lip liners. And yeah guys, that was it for my makeup pouch. I also do carry a compact along with me, but I don't keep it in my makeup pouch. And I also have a mirror, that too I don't keep it in my makeup pouch क्योंकि उतनी जगह नहीं बचती, फिर वो जिप नहीं बंद होती है. But yeah, this is the compact powder from Faces Canada, and it's in the shade, wait, let me just check the shade. Again, I can't find the shade anywhere, but yeah, I will write it down somewhere. But again, it's a very very pretty, not pretty, but yeah, it's a very lightweight compact powder and goes really well with my skin shade, so I'm really happy about it. I was actually gifted this product as well. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a dream video of mine कि इस तरीके से कुछ बनाओ, and today I did, and I'm really really happy. But yeah, do let me know what do you guys want to see more, or what do you feel about this whole video, and what are your favorite products. You can you can talk about them as well in the comment section. And that's it for this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.